Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M234sdwe series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go ahead and search for HP LaserJet Pro space MFP and then another space M234 SDWE support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet MFP M234 SDWE printer. Go ahead and open that up. And then going underneath the support category, this is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then just scrolling down, you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that item in there, and then just give it a moment to download, and then open up the file to extract it. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the HP Easy Start guide on there, and then just follow through the on-screen steps, get it connected whether you have a wired or wireless-based printer, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So all you have to do at this point is follow through the on-screen steps and you're good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.